Okay, sir, today I will be showing you how to put a screw into a piece of wood. This is the exact wood I cut on the bandsaw in the video I'm going to show you next. So, I got my drill right here, or my dad's drill. And if you want to take the drill bit out, you need to unloosen this. Then you take it out. If you want to put it back in and tighten it up, you turn it this way. And you'll know when it's tight because you won't be able to move it anymore. So, oh, I'm going the wrong way. You gotta keep it straight. Why? Wait a minute. Oh, that makes a lot of sense. Got a tiny hole in the wood. But if you want to go forwards, you have to click this button right here. Then to go backwards, there's that button. And then to change the measurement, I believe, of the screw, you have to turn this. Pretty sure that's what that's for. And that's it for the drill. Now onto the bandsaw. So in this video, I'm showing you how to use the vertical bandsaw. So what I'm doing right there is putting the guard down, and I'm doing that because if you have the guard up, you can risk cutting your fingers off. Unless you stay out of the yellow area, like see where I have my hands placed, you can't go in that area. And I'm now cutting the wood. And that's the wood you've seen in my first video. And I turned it off. Goodbye.